Hello everyone, welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver soul messages. Today I'll be reading energy with a pendulum for chakras, and I'll be using tarot and an oracle to close the message. A friendly reminder that this is a general energy reading, always with love, hoping to connect to those who would benefit from this message. I've also wanted to state that I've meditated and shuffled both decks and on your guys' energy. And so with that said, I would like to begin. Okay, crown, third eye, throat, heart, thank you. Oh, solar plexus, sacral, and root. Thank you. Okay, so for today's energy, we'll be speaking about the heart. The heart is located in the center of the chest. It represents love, self-love, and governs our relationships. Imbalanced attributes would be difficulty in relationship, maybe depression, or a lack of self-discipline. Words that hold relevance to that particular chakra within ourselves is, like I said, our self-love. It's our love, our self-acceptance, our compassion, forgiveness. I would like you to really do your own research when it comes to what kind of energies we hold in that particular space of us. I also want to specify that in that particular area, it's considered our filter. The heart is our filter to both our physical and our spiritual side of ourselves. So it does hold duality in many ways. I want you to also focus on that, whatever area we hold in our body, in those particular areas, like our heart, our lungs, our chest, our arms is included in this, circulatory system. So pay attention to that part of your body. Give love, give nurturance, bring in love as you give love. It's almost like I hear, you can't give something you don't have for yourself, and it's like, it's extraneous. Is what you receive and is what you also give. And being that it's love, or it's that essence of your heart, it's an important aspect of ourselves, okay, that we hold in this particular area. It's our growth, our devotion, our altruism in life, our intimacy, and how we forgive and love as well. So please make sure that you feed that aspect of yourself, that you do your own research when it comes to the heart chakra, because it's very important. I like to talk about also the color in itself. The color green is associated with nature, with life, with growth, with equilibrium, with love, health, balance, luck. It's the color of prosperity, of money, of healing, earth. So be more in earth, get some sunlight, again, focus your energy to bring in balance to that particular part of yourself. Also, it's considered to be the fourth chakra, and the number 4 speaks about structure, of stability, of manifestation, of being grounded, as in the 4 elements: water, fire, earth, air. Also the 4 seasons, winter, spring, summer, autumn. The 4 directions, north, south, east, west. Like we hold a lot of energies in that fourth per se chakra, or just the essence of the number 4 in itself. Like I said, it's stability, bringing something into form, which is your body, your mind, and your spirit. So with that said, I hope that this message is of relevance. Please work on your heart. And furthermore, I encourage you to do your own research in regards to your heart chakra as well, okay? Thank you so much. I will be moving on to tarot. Like I stated, I've pre-shuffled and meditated on your deck, so I'll be getting one for your mind, your body, and your spirit. Oh, and the overall. Okay, so for your mind, you got the Hierophant. You got the Hermit for your body, and your spirit, you got the Page of Pentacles. And in the overall, you got the Six of Pentacles. These two are earth elements, okay? Earth element representing your body, your material needs, your finances. For your mind, it shows 2 major arcanas for your mind and your body. And in your mind, you are showing the energy of the Hierophant. He is tradition. He is religion, wisdom. He's a teacher. He also speaks of conformity. Okay, to me, it gives me the essence of study, of committing to something like marriage, something traditional, something that will feed your spirit, your higher self, but it's not just for your greatest good, but for the good of all. And you'll be bringing those teachings to earth in an earthly wise, okay? In an earthly realm, I'm sorry. And rooting your tradition, your values, you hold the keys to many things in life, like spirituality, your subconscious in many ways. Just wisdom. These two are very wise cards, okay? So you might be going through a time of introspection in many ways, like what are your values? What is it that you're wanting to bring to this world? And that's a beautiful card because you'll be rooting in, you'll be bringing in balance. I want to speak about the number 5. 5 is a number of change, of instability in many changes, but it's an uncomfortable change, but nonetheless important because it's going to bring a lot of changes. It's after the number 4, which is stability. It is structure. It is form, but 5 is one number to say revise that before you move forward. Okay, so that's kind of like the essence that I'm getting, but in this particular card, it's just saying that you are going through some profound teachings in your mind, or you might be going to school, or it speaks about, again, really analyzing your marriages or your commitments, like I said, to others outside of yourself, and mentally you're changing into what works for you. And like I said, for your greatest good, but for the good of all as well. These two, like I said, are major arcanas. These are energies that will bring others into motion and that will allow you to really ground things in this particular moment in time. For your physical body, is showing you as a hermit. The hermit is clarity through introspection. It's your inner guidance. He's you're going through like a spiritual enlightenment of some sort. This is also the essence, or I'm getting that essence of like walking silence. You're walking through a almost not a lot of movement going on for you right now. You know, you're just learning as you're going. You're keeping to yourself, and for better growth. This card is a card of wisdom. They both are. I receive a lot of wisdom from these two, and very much I'm picking up on masculine energy with all of these cards. Masculine energy speaks about active, external energy, being assertive, dominating, logical. It's more left brain. It's cause and effect. It's hard. It provides. It protects. And so here it wants you to really like focus and be very logical as to what you're doing and how you're moving in life and what you're grounding in a more logical way, with a lot of assertiveness. And spiritually is speaking about the Knight of Pentacles, and the Knight is always in pursuit of something. This particular Knight is hard work. It brings in the essence of routine, of patience, of productivity, of common sense. So, and look at the colors, very energetic yellow and red, which is very rooting into what you're doing. And black is the color of protection. So very much protecting what you're doing, moving in slow, because earth is also the slowest moving energy, but because it does things right. It's a perfectionist kind of energy. So it wants you to, in the overall, look at where you're putting your energy, your mind, your body above everything. Pentacles, like I mentioned, body, material needs, your finances. So this card speaks about that, the giving and receiving, the clarity, your generosity, your sharing of your wealth. How are you doing that? Where you're putting your energy, the balance. So with that said, I hope that, again, that this message resonates and that you are very much rooting where your mind and your body is, and really going in to be able to know how to move, tactically, slow, and what to provide and where to provide it, with tradition, with something that makes you have the sense of comfort and that still stays within, your own status quo. I love, because I just heard that, and I've never really used that word status quo, but I'm going to throw it out there. So yes, make sure that in the overall, you know where you're putting in, and it is an important time to just be in your body, to walk in silence, and just put in that work and be in pursuit of what is going to give you a bigger return, that in the overall, you'll be able to give to others as well. Again, work on your heart space, again, your values. And because there's profound teachings in these moments and times for you that, again, in return will allow you to give others, like I said, from your heart space. You can't give to others what you can't give, what you don't have yourself. So you got to root those things within yourself, okay? Thank you so much. I will move on to the oracle. And it is called the Earthcraft Oracle by Danielle Voodoo Fortune. Oh no, I'm sorry. Art. That was the art by. And Juliet, Diaz, and Lorriane Andersons are the writers of this book. So. Oh, okay. Number 16, The Light. And I'll be reading from its guidebook. It says, "The sun is the source of all life on earth. Without the sun, plants could not grow and humans would cease to exist. In the same way, you have a sun radiating from within your heart. Living your life through your heart means acting on your passions, speaking your truth, and being your authentic self, no matter the people or circumstances surrounding you. Every time you compare yourself to someone else, diminish yourself, or ignore your needs to please others, a cloud forms around your heart. obscuring its pure life-giving energy. Your dreams and desires are waiting patiently behind dark clouds that are preventing your heart from spreading light through your soul. Do not look to others to tell you who you should be. Only you can manifest the future you desire. Your heart will shine its guiding light outward, sending nourishment to others, to the people, things, and opportunities that will help you shine. Wealth, loving relationship, health, and fulfilling jobs will be yours. Your light is a beacon for all your hopes and dreams, drawing them into you. Again, this spoke a lot about your heart, your light. So please don't look for external validation. Bring that to yourself. I give you many things, everyone. I would like to ask you to please like, subscribe, and again, sending you love and light to all. I will talk to you guys later. Ciao. Thank you.